Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor. I'm sure you guys noticed that I'm in a little bit of a different background today, and that is because my beauty room is totally under construction right now. I'm in the process of redoing it, and I'm improving on my backdrop and lighting and just trying to improve my filming space for you guys. So that is why I'm in my bedroom right now on my bed, because my filming area is a disaster right now. But anyways, in today's video I am going to be doing a Tjmaxx clothing haul. I was recently in Tjmaxx when I was doing my shop with me video, and they had some really cute summertime, springtime shirts and stuff that I came across, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. I found a lot of good deals. I'm pretty sure I only got one shirt that was over $10, so there were some really good deals, and a lot of these shirts I got is really comparable to like Fashion Nova and Shein and everything, and especially with Fashion Nova, these shirts I got that look pretty much just like the shirts on Fashion Nova are like half the price at Tjmaxx. So I was actually going to order some things on Fashion Nova, and then I came across a lot of similar things at Tjmaxx and Burlington's. I am going to be having a Burlington's clothing haul too, probably sometime either later this week or next week. But anyways, if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. I am going to be having my spring giveaway. Definitely is going to be coming sometime next week. Without any further ado, let's start this Tjmaxx clothing haul. Alright, so guys, first this purple shirt right here. This is a crop top. This is actually the shirt that made me go into the clothing aisle at Tjmaxx. I seen this one on like an end aisle, and I thought it was super cute, so I went over there to this shirt, and then I just got sucked into looking at all of the other clothes, and I fell into the trap. But this is the first shirt I seen, and I fell in love with it. Of course, purple is my favorite color, so like I definitely had to get this shirt. But it's super comfortable. I really like the material. It's super like comfy, and I think this would be perfect for summertime or something, because the material is kind of like a cool, like airy material. And this shirt was only $9.99, and all the shirts I got are size medium, I believe. So this is a medium, and it was only $9.99. It says regular compared to $13. I'm not really sure. I've never heard of that brand, but yeah. So this is the first shirt. Okay, so next is this shirt right here. This is like a regular shirt. This is not a crop top. It's more of a sweater material, so definitely this is more of a spring shirt, I would say, instead of summer, because on a hot day this is going to be really hot. But it's super soft and comfy. I really like this color. It's like a mauve, like a muted lavender. I'm not really sure what you would call the color, but it's super cute and super pretty. I really like how the sleeves have this little kind of fancy little lace on the end, and so does the bottom of the shirt. And this shirt was $7.99. It says compared to $10, so I think this was a good deal for only $7.99. Next I have this shirt right here, and it is white, and that kind of scares me because I usually try not to go for white things, especially when I have a 2-year-old daughter. But I really fell in love with this shirt. I think it's super pretty, and I think this one would be so pretty in summertime, I love like the lace, and it's white, so it's definitely going to make you look super tan in summer. And it does have these buttons. It is a button up, and they are real buttons, so you can unbutton it if you want to show more cleavage or whatever. Or you could, I guess you could wear like a undershirt under it if you wanted to. As you guys can see, I did try this on and it was not see-through, but I did have like a nude bra on, so you probably need to wear like a lighter colored bra because obviously it is white. It's probably going to be a little bit see-through. But anyways, this shirt was $9.99. It says compared to $13, and it did come with an extra button. And it also is size medium. Okay, so next I have this shirt right here, and my mom definitely talked me into this shirt. I think it's super cute, and it's just something I wouldn't normally probably go for, but my mom talked me into it, and I'm super glad I did get it because it's super cute and it is really comfortable. It does have this tie right here, so you can loosen it and tie it as tight or as loose as you want. You don't even have to tie it if you don't want to. But yeah, and it has like super cute little things right here on the ties. I didn't notice that before. That's really cute. So it definitely has like a lot of detail. And this is the only shirt that I did pay over $10 for. It was $12.99, but it does say compared to $17. So that's super nice. And it is not see-through, but again, I did have a nude bra on, so I can't really speak on that if it's going to be see-through or not. But I really thought it was cute. Actually wearing right now, I really love this one. This is probably my favorite out of all the shirts. It's super comfy and I love it because it's like really airy and stuff for summertime, and it's super cute for spring too. It's just a really cute like loose fitting comfortable shirt. It's black and it does have like these lines in it. I'm not sure what kind of material you would call this. It's not a sweater material, but it's not also like any of this polyester material or anything like that. So I'm not sure what you would call that material, but this is super comfortable. And I definitely think like I almost bought one just like this on Fashion Nova. Of course it was a little bit different, but it was pretty similar on Fashion Nova for like $20+, and this one was only $7.99. So if you're thinking about ordering on Fashion Nova or Shein or any of those websites, I definitely would suggest going into like your local Tjmaxx or Marshalls or Burlington's and looking at those clothes first, because you can find a lot of similar items in those stores for like way cheaper than you can ordering them. And plus, if you order it, you gotta wait for them to ship it and you get it, but you could literally have the shirt, pay half the price, and already have it and take it home with you and wear it already. So I definitely recommend going to one of those stores and before you order. Now of course, like obviously I still ordered stuff from Fashion Nova, stuff like I couldn't find any other store. Stay tuned for the Fashion Nova video. But now that's all the shirts I got. Like I said, I think I got 5 shirts, and now I'm gonna be moving on to pants. And I did get both of these pants in a 2-pack. This is the first one right here. It's gray. It does have the tie. I believe these are like pajama pants technically, but especially these gray ones, you could wear them as joggers because they're super comfortable and they kind of fit you like sweats. So I don't really think nobody's gonna notice like, oh, you got your pajama pants on, because they actually fit like sweats and they're super comfortable. So you could wear these out for like sweats or whatever, or you could just stick to wearing them at home. I really love these pants, and I actually wish I would have got another set because they are so comfortable and I need more pajama pants. These pants are so comfortable, and I was super nervous that they're gonna be see-through because the material is super light and thin, but actually I did not have that problem. They weren't see-through. I think these are perfect for summer, even because they're super light and airy. I just think they're really comfortable, and they are a designer. So when I got home and I wore them and everything, I wished I would have got another set because they're super comfortable. So I actually looked them up, and it actually is a fashion designer. It's Rachel Zoe, New York. So I actually looked it up to try to find these pants, and I could not find these exact pants, but similar ones like this are actually like, I think they're like $60 or something. So I only paid $20 for the set of 2. So that's like $10 a pair of pants. So I'm definitely going to keep my eye out at TJ Maxx and see if I see any more of these pants because they are so comfortable and I fell in love with them. But anyways, that's what the gray ones look like. And then this is what the mint ones look like. It's kind of like a mint tie-dye. I think these are super cute. Mint is one of my favorite colors. All my kitchen stuff is literally mint green. My iPad cover is mint green. So yeah, I really like these. I really like this color. And again, like I said, they're the exact same pants as the gray ones. They came in a set. They're super comfortable, and if you've seen these, I definitely recommend getting them because they are so comfortable. Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I am going to be also having a Burlington's clothing haul coming out very soon, along with some more Burlington's, TJ Maxx, and Marshall shop with me videos. I show you all the high-end makeup, skincare, purses, pretty much anything high-end in the store that I can find. I show you guys, and you guys just come with me and walk through all the stores and shop. I do post those new every week, and I am going to start posting even more content that has to do with shopping at those stores and everything like that. So I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video.